Hi, I'm Jeff from Drillbrush, and today we're going to be doing another look at cleaning the backseat of your car. This time with higher detail messes. So as you can probably see, at some point in the past, I actually threw a milkshake cup in the back of my seat, and we're not going to talk about everything that happened afterwards. We're just going to deal with the mess. And as you may have seen recently, I transported a fish tank to my house, and that left a whole bunch of other grime. So we're going to be focusing on this, and then we're just going to kind of do a general clean. But first, we're actually going to start with taking a shop vac and getting all the crumbs out. And then we'll get into putting down the cleaner, getting the brushes out, scrubbing them. We're going to be using impact drill with a 4 or 5 inch white. Still not sure on that, 100%. And then, you know, we'll get right into it. Alright, and now onto the scrubbing. Alright, so we're going to be using some generic off-the-shelf car upholstery cleaner, and we're going to be using a 4 inch white brush, and we're going to be scrubbing the stain, and then after that we're going to pull out to, you know, do the whole seat. Yeah, and as you can see, it's pretty much gone. All right, and now we're gonna go ahead and do the rest of it with a much simpler, like, one pass setup. Alright, not too bad. We'll have to get some paper towels and just wipe off the little plastic bits, but that's about it. Well, as you can see, the Drillbrush Power Scrubber makes short work of pretty much any mess in your back seat. You've seen it before, but now you can see the full kind of depth of how well it does. And as always, Drillbrush is the fastest name in cleaning, so regardless of if you spill something, you got kids that spill something, you got to transport something filthy, anything and everything, the Drillbrush will clean it up. So happy scrubbing, everyone, and thanks for watching.